Dang, boy! You clean up good.
Oh, thank you.
Meanwhile, I'm still in my bathing suit next to the pool. Just uploaded our video from yesterday. I should probably go shower now because we're about to have dinner. You want to see what I painted today? Tell me it looks good because I can't go back. And I also spent like 4 hours doing it while I was sitting in the pool. Victor, what'd you paint?
Didn't finish mine.
Oh, but it looks so good. And there's extras, so we'll bring them on our camping trip. Oh! Spoiler alert, we're going camping in the Dolomites after this. Today we had our pool day, and you might be very proud of me because I didn't take any of those hangover remedies that I thought I would have to take, except I did drink the strawberry electrolytes, but that's just because it tastes really good.
Same. I put one in a bottle and I finished it today.
Perfect.
Mm-hmm.
So we're healthy and good.
We are,
good to go. We already have another glass of wine. We had such a chill day at the pool, just relaxing and enjoying the weather and obviously the pool. Jen made us these cute little goodie bags with paint by numbers, which are surprisingly harder than you think.
Yep.
I'm not
And
gonna
sunscreen.
Yeah.
That I did use and could have maybe used more of.
Same. The girls were saying that the part in my hair is looking really red.
A little bit, yeah. It's a little pink.
Yeah. But tonight is Jen's birthday dinner, and she hired a private chef to come cook for us, so Victor is going to tell you everything that we're going to eat tonight. Right?
Gonna do a review. I don't know. No. I don't want to be judgmental, but like, it's probably going to be good.
We're going to be judgmental.
No, wait.
Oh, no.
Okay.
We're going to be really nice. Because if you don't already know, Victor is a chef, and in my honest opinion, he's the best chef in the entire world.
Not biased.
I'm not just saying that because I'm his wife. I really do think he cooks the best food I've ever had. There's 11 other people here, and we have been staying in the pool villa, which they didn't even know existed until we arrived, and we were exploring the property. And so now we're coming up to the main villa, and it is gorgeous up here. It is just screaming Tuscany, Italy. We're moving here. Yes, you should. Not quite the hand. Not quite so good. All right.
What do you do with your hands, Catherine?
Oh, it was his plan?
Yeah.
Okay. No.
My messages with the
Victor, what's like your favorite thing to cook?
Chefs hate this question. Just so you know, yeah. Frying fish is my favorite thing ever. Just
Frying fish?
frying fish.
Really? Why?
It's hard to get it perfect. It's hard to get it perfectly caramelized and even. And I love doing it. I'm so good at it.
I would just like it to be known that Victor has never made fish.
No, I don't.
In our home.
I don't cook fish at home.
Go find some tomorrow for dinner?
I don't cook fish at home. I just love cooking fish for somebody else at a restaurant.
Not me.
No, not you. Because I know then I'm gonna have to eat it.
Victor, I'll be your sous chef.
Jen said a non-negotiable for the menu was truffle
Oh,
pasta.
I agree with that.
That was
Oh my god.
Oh, okay.
I mean, we.
But that was truffle in it. Yeah. It's also delicious.
He's whispering so that the chef who's in another building doesn't hear him.
The third course we got beef, rosemary, parmesan, potatoes, and vegetables, and it's so good. The ingredients is so good. You don't need it just needs salt and pepper. That's it. And rosemary, obviously. They have rosemary on it. But you don't need anything else. It's so good. The ingredients are so good. It's crazy how they just use olive oil as a sauce. You just dip it in olive oil. That's it. And it's enough. It's great.
What's even crazier is that I hate olives. Don't like them. Olive oil? Fantastic. Also realizing tonight for the very first time that olive oil does come from olives that I don't like. Italy!
This is the best tiramisu I've ever
As
had.
I just
No
the
joke.
turntable.
100%.
Thank you.
And I love tiramisu.
It's entirety. I feel like you've seen episodes, but you
Oh
haven't
my god, the
watched
cream is
them.
delicious.
Yes, we have homework.
I'm usually not a tiramisu
When I
person.
make you watch an episode, I'm like, I'm thinking about.
Because I don't like the coffee flavored things.
If you're going to watch the first season,
But one time Victor made me tiramisu when we
And
were
you get
first
to the
dating.
Diversity Day episode.
So I pretended to like it. This is actually
The point where he's
delicious.
talking to. Well, like.
Yeah, it was great.
This 5K or whatever.
Buenísimo.
Happy birthday to you.
I'm carrying blankets into our extra house, the villa, because it's freaking freezing in there because it's built into a hill. It's basically like a little cellar, and there's no heater in there, so it's kind of cold. We've been layering up every night, and now we got extra blankets, so it's gonna be a cozy night. Can't wait.
Like surprisingly pretty chilly in Tuscany at nighttime, and I did not even pack any type of jacket or any layers. So I brought this towel with me to dinner.
I'm so sorry, guys. I always watch here instead of here. I'm new to this, so I'm excused. Right?
We're new here. We're new to YouTube.
Yeah, sorry.
We don't know what we're doing.
Looking at the green light. We just had the most amazing Italian dinner that we've had in Italy.
It was like a whole birthday dinner for Jen. It was this dinner party. Four courses. I think I haven't laughed that hard in so long, for such a long time.
It was
with,
so good.
With people I don't really know. Like, we just met these people, and it's just crazy that Jen could invite all these people from all the chapters of her life, and we all get along
Bonded.
pretty well. Yeah.
Yeah.
And laughed so hard, and drank great wine, and ate amazing food. Bellissimo.
Bellissimo food. I think I'm saying that right. Good food.
Thanks for being here. How do you say goodnight in Italian?
Good night.
Ah!